Welcome back to your own channel, guys. So we're gonna see the forex analysis, what we have done and how they have behaved. Okay, guys, you can see here, guys, what we have discussed is that if it will exactly take somewhere here support, then you can go upside momentum. But you can see here continuously falling. So what happened at this point only? You have to know that, or here somewhere, because this is the swing. So somewhere here also you have taken your short position and your SL will be kept at higher of the swing, and you have taken a very small risk and taken, you can see here, it's broken, not tested. Here only it came consolidate, came downside. Our all first second target has been achieved. Once again, why this pullback has been came, I will tell you guys. Because of this buyer dominant goes upside, but eventually this is the negative scenario. So continuously consolidate. Why this happened? Because somewhere here whoever have been taken this position, okay guys, somewhere you have buy up till here, okay guys, and your SL will be the here. So you can see that your SL is very small, and up till here you have got at least 1 is to a 9 or 7 risk to reward, guys. Okay guys, so here short covering came. So whatever they have taken their short, so they have to cover and take their profit. So they have taken their profit, so eventually jumps. So what thing that buyer has been came here, so buyer also added. After that, once again consolidation happened because of this is negative scenario. After that, you can see that how up till our fourth target also achieved. After that, somewhere here only consolidation happened. After that, you can see here, why I'm telling you, I have always told you that buyer, if buyer are so much dominated, so this area, just see this area, just a second. So you can see here, guys, this area. Okay guys, this area will be the very important zone. Okay guys, just I will zoom in so you can get clarity. This is first time, second time, third time tries, not taken it upside, but you can see that this is the bullish candle. Okay guys, if you have to take a trade or something, taken a trade, okay guys, what you have to do, somewhere here you have buyed, or okay, close, it has to close a bullish candle, you have taken here position. So what you have to do, your SL will be the this green candle, not a green candle properly, but okay, you have to keep your SL somewhere here. Okay guys, you have know that your SL will be the $50 or $100. Okay guys, so your SL will be here. So at that point you have to take your quantity. So if your SL will be the $50, so you have to see that your whatever the quantity will came in $50, that only you have to take, not that 1 or 2. You have to take 0.5, 0.2 also there, because of we don't know it will be goes upside or not, but this will be the probability. So after that, you can see that your SL will be here. You can see that here only exactly taken resistance. So you have got at least 1:5 or 1:4 risk to reward, guys. Hope you have seen that what I am telling you. If you don't know anything, or you have thinking that you are not getting, so please comment me down, so I will let. Okay guys, now we gonna see that GBP versus US dollar, guys. Okay guys, you can see here, guys, what happened. I have told you if it will take support somewhere here, exactly here it's taken support, and what I have done is that my SL I have kept here and keep running the profit. What happened, it came downside and taken my SL. After that, it came once again downside, but this green candle I have seen. After that, this consolidation happened. Okay guys, after that, somewhere here, okay guys, what I am seeing is that it is continuously making a highs, but seller are so much dominated. So what happened is that here somewhere it came somewhere here only. So what I have done is that I have kept my SL at this point, and I have taken my short position here, and you can see that our first target reached, second target, and third target. After third target, I have exited because I know that my target has been reached, so I will not keep it going on, because my target has been reached, and somewhere here only it keeps reversible also happens. So I have exited. After that, you can see here continuously considered. After that, reversible has been given. So if I have kept it, and in here only somewhere I have not exited, my somewhere up till here you can see that I have not seen or something. So within few hours I have drawn down my whole profit. So that's why I have kept my profit has been booked, because my all the target has been achieved what we have discussed. After that you can see that somewhere here only continuously consolidated and came downside. So our target has been reached, so we have no idea what to do in this. So I have not taken any trade somewhere here, but I have told you here, because this is the high and this is the bullish candle also. After this is breakout, you can keep here also, you can buy if you think so. So you can buy here somewhere, and you have kept your SL somewhere here, $50, $100, whatever your risk will be the. Okay guys, one-sided momentum has been gained somewhere here, only consolidation. So I will tell you, if big momentum has been done, after that nicely consolidation happened, so it gives us big momentum. But here we have not any clue that it will give us big momentum or not. Somewhere here only you have booked also, you have got at least 1:3 risk to reward. So hope you have get it the logic guys. So we can see the euro versus GBP, what we have discussed here. This is, will be act as a resistance, I have told you. So I will just draw once again. So somewhere here, okay. So here just a second, it's slightly become a upside, so just adjust. Okay, so it continuously consolidate. After this is the break. After that I am seeing that if it will take support, but this red candle I have seen, so I am not willing to take any trade. After that here somewhere I am seeing that it is making a double top also, but I am not taken because I have eventually 4 to 5 trades. So I have not taken any trade somewhere here. It came downside. Hope you have taken here also trade, so you have got up till here also, very nice trade. But this is the very small time frame and very small trade what you have achieved. After that somewhere here only consolidated. After this 2 green candle I have seen, so I am so much happy that okay, now we can take trade somewhere here. Okay guys, because I think that it will be act as a one of the major supporting areas. It acted also, you can see that here it doesn't came to take our SL, it means it is bullish. So that's why I am not taken here trade any. After that this 2 green candle has been made in somewhere here only it came. So what I have done is that somewhere here only it's going upside momentum, so I have taken my long position somewhere here and kept my SL at this point only. If it become volatile and take my SL, okay, I will exit because I know my whatever risk is that. So after that it continuously consolidate making a swing, but I am bullish in this, so that's why I am not exited. After that somewhere here only I have exited at this red candle, because I have told you, because 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours only left it to close the forex market, and I don't want to take it carry forward. So that's why I am exited somewhere here only. And you can see that my SL is very small. Somewhere here I have taken my position somewhere here only guys, slightly different will be there. Okay guys, nothing happened. I have got 1:4.5 or something there, so I have booked my profit. So you can see that our analysis. So hope you got this point also, USD versus CAD, what we have discussed. Okay guys, I have told you that if this will be breaked, okay guys, I will show you this will break. You can go for short, or it will take resistance, you can go short. But it is continuously consolidated and broken. After that you can see the first target reached, second target is, third target. Why I have told you third target only? Third target it become reversible. That's why I don't take my all profit. I have booked that second target only, because I know that if something reversible has been given, so I will lose my profit. So somewhere here only I have taken one more trade. Okay guys, so because I am exited somewhere, because all 3 trades has been, I have all 3 target has been achieved somewhere here only, because it's continuously sellers area. So this week is going down somewhere, this red candle only I have taken. My SL will be the so much big, so I have kept my whatever my SL I have predefined, whatever I wanted to lose, means $150, $200. That's why I have kept my SL, and I have taken what is my risk is $200. So I have taken that risk, and how much lot I can gain somewhere here. So I have taken that lot. You can see that how nicely fall has been came, and after that continuously consolidating, you can see here. So somewhere here only I at this two green candle only. In between I have exited because I know that it is continuously consolidating, means it maybe goes upside or downside, but I am not taking any risk, so I have taken it down and exited. Okay guys, so we can see USD versus CHF. You can see here guys, USD versus CHF, it came downside, exactly taking support. You can see here guys, just missed, so I am not taken any trade in this. So that's why I am telling you, because of it has to put a here our trade has been we have to trigger our trade. It has to came somewhere here and take support, but it slightly taken and goes upside. So I have not taken any trade, and whole week I have not taken USD versus CHF any trade. I'm tell you one thing also guys, this is the very nice trade that JPY is making a very nice momentum in all things. Okay guys, so that's why I have told you, stick with your analysis, you can get very nice trade here also. This is the one of the risks what I have told you, if making a double top. Hope you have taken also, I have taken and my SL also hit. Okay, this is the part of the game because we are in a stock market, sorry, forex. Okay guys, stock market also like this only, so just a mistake is that. So you can see here it has been taken support. Okay guys, but I am not sure because this is the very nice swing, so I have to wait for this swing. It has been crossed and then I will take. It is continuously volatile, became so much volatile, so I have not taken any trade frankly guys. After that, somewhere here only I have seen that it making a green candle, bullish candle. So what I think, okay, I will take a small risk, but I have not taken any trade because I think that it continuously consolidates. So hope that it will maybe consolidate only or make a fake breakdown and my SL will be hit. So I have not taken any trade somewhere here. And this is where you have to trade is that if it's this green candle is making, so you have to keep your SL somewhere here, because this is the green candle, means buyers are here. If you have taken that risk, and you can see that risk to reward is 1:8 or 1:9, you have got, at least you have got very nice trade guys up till here, or this is the our final target. Here also you have booked, you have got very nice trade guys. Hope you can see the logic how we have to trade. Okay guys, you can this apply in other trade also next week, so that's why I have told you these all the things. Okay guys, so we can see the NSD versus US dollar. Okay guys, NSD versus US dollar, what I have done is that I have told you if it will take support, this area I do not like. If big momentum has been done, then consolidate, then it may be the nicest thing. But here only you can see that continuously consolidating means it is not for us. So I have kept after that exactly taking resistance, I have kept my SL at this point and taken short position. Our first target reach, second target reach, I have booked my 50%. I have told you 70% I will book if I think that it doesn't sustain. So I think that it will not sustain, so I have booked my 70%. You can see that how nicely reversible has been came. So that's why I have booked my 70%, and after that it reversible has been came and came downside somewhere here only. So this time here only somewhere I have booked my that 30% too, because I am thinking that it becoming a reversible, because here somewhere only I have taken. So after that you can see that this move I have not captured, I am telling you. So we can see the euro versus Japanese, and you can see here exactly has been taken support. It came once again. If you have taken SL or you have kept your trailing SL somewhere here, you cannot capture this thing. Okay guys, so we have captured very nice target. What we have told you up till here, we have captured all our target. You can see here guys. So that's why I have told you, do not trail your SL up till you don't think, if you think that you have to trail, so don't trail it, just book your 70 to 50% and continue your profit. So that's why I have told you. We can see next analysis is AUD versus CHF. Okay guys, I have told you if it goes upside, then you can see here exactly taking support. After that goes upside, came once again goes, and our third target is after once again came downside. You can see here why I have told you this level only, it doesn't touches here also two times. After that it achieved our at least 4 targets slightly there will be. You can see that continuously consolidation has been happened. So you hope you have booked somewhere here only. I have not taken trade this because I have all the so many trades I have already have, so I have not taken this trade. So that's why I have to telling you how you have to see the where you have to take trades. Okay guys, we can see the GBP versus Japanese yen guys. I will just remove these. Just a second. Okay, so what I have told you is that I have told you properly you have to keep eye on this, and you can see that this is the triangle pattern breakout taking support exactly you have taken here, and you are somewhere here only. I have kept my SL somewhere here at this green candle low, and I have bought at this green candle. Okay guys, one-sided momentum. First target reached, came downside once again. Second target reached somewhere here only. I have booked my 70%. After this is consolidation phase only here somewhere. I have put it that somewhere here only I have seen that it will achieve my target. So I have put my target somewhere here only, and it is automatically has been booked. So you can see here GBP versus AUD. So you can see that here continuously consolidation has been happened. I have told you this guys previously also, this has been consolidation happened. So you have to mark this the box. Okay guys, after that you can see that continuously taking resistance from here only. Okay guys, somewhere you have bought somewhere here also or here also. Okay guys, if you have bought somewhere here, your SL will be the at this top. If you have bought somewhere here, then your SL will be the here only, because this is the area where seller will defend it. Okay guys, so one sided has been momentum has been came, once again pullback came, once again downside. So you can see up till here also you have captured, so you have got very nice trade. Hope you like this video guys. Okay guys, if you have any queries, please comment me down, or you have anything related that how I am telling you these things, or my teaching is not up to the, you are not getting it, so please comment me down, so I will improve my teaching also, so you can get the point and you can surely get a very nice trades and make a consistently profits. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video.